Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the regular puzzles, the Four Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 14th, 2025. And we have three regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the 4-star Sudoku. Yes. By the way, in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with these regular puzzles. News of today, well, a lot of wildfires in the LA area in Los Angeles. Yes, a lot of houses are destroyed by the wildfire. Yeah. Enough. The 4-star Sudoku number 9900. Well, we have 100 left now. 9900. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 4-stars puzzle has 24. This one has 2 digits more. Should be a 2 stars. Yeah, for 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzles, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars or 2 stars puzzle? That's the question. Let's get started. Okay. Well. 80. How about? Let me see. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5, 6, 7, 8. I need a 9 here. Wow. Let me see. Need an 8 here. Okay. 7, 6. No 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 1 should be there. 1. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. Well, we have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 is left in this row from the mad one. The 2 and 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only place level 9 should be there. Then need a 7 here. 4 missing numbers in the last column. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the last column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 7 in the first row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8. Need 8 there. Okay, cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. 6 and 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. So two numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes ahead there. Then 3, 3. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only two places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. Okay. Come on, come on. These three missing numbers in this column are the numbers: the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. The other pair, the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Need a 5 here. Then. All right. Come on. Think. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 9 here. Okay. 1 box left now in the middle column for number: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 2, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in the last row. No 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what is left should be the 2. 2, 2. Okay. Then need a 3 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, now only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 3, okay. 1 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Need a 6 here. 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the only place left with a 6 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 1, 1. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left with 5 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for number: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. That means that the other 2 should be the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. Let me mark those. And we have a pair, I believe. No? Yeah. Well, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 1 and 9, 1 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 in that column, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so last row, only 3 places left for the, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 and the 3, we have 3 now in the third column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 4, I should be there. 1 box left now in the last row for number, I believe the 1, the 8, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the, 6 and the 7, I need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1 and the 6 are missing. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. Okay, then 6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 5. How about the 8, 8, 8, and the 7, 7. No, need a 7 here. How about the 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 6, 6, 6, 6, yes. And 1 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. We solve it again. Solve it again. Not a 4, not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.